General Kinematics is a OEM of custom vibratory equipment, serving foundry, recycling, and mining equipment here globally. We produce everything in-house, start to finish, to manufacture our machines. Some of our biggest challenges, unloading parts after we cut them, is handling them. So having operators climb up on the tables, unloading those on the pallets one by one was a big challenge for us. So looking at that, and then the safety aspect of the job was also a concern of ours. Some of the risks that we had in the old setup was obviously operators having good footing on the tables. A lot of it was on the safety side as far as risks are concerned. Also being able to grab parts and pick them up safely was also a bigger concern. Biggest challenges for us beforehand was trying to get the parts offloaded and the new plates loaded up fast enough to where we could increase productivity. Our productivity was about 30% arc on time on our machines, and we were not finding any improvements that we could do to increase that. The reason we started looking for another solution was we were looking at a new piece of equipment, which was our fiber laser that we installed. Because of the height of that table, we knew we had to do something else as far as how we offloaded parts. The table was going to be much higher. Different arrangement on it that had pointed slats that we knew we couldn't have operators climbing up on that. The reason we chose Magswitch was definitely the magnet arrangement. How they had it set up allowed us to pretty much offload any part smaller than 5-6 inches as an entire nest and do that all at one time. So be able to offload the table and put it off to the side to be able to allow us to reload the next sheet onto the machine. Currently, we're using the Magswitch magnet to load the machine and unload the machine. So taking raw steel, putting it up onto the laser, taking finished nests that are cut, offloading the laser off to the side, and then using it to stack and unstack plate to the side of the machine. Our first impressions of the magnet, very simple, looked to be robust, not a lot of moving components to it, so to me it was low chance of something going wrong or something failing. Magswitch was here for the first 3 days on-site doing the commissioning and doing the training, which took about 15 minutes to get the operators trained. And then they were here to assist with the operators if they had any questions. We've been able to increase our arc on time off of our machines, which originally was 30%, up to about 65% arc on time. Reduced safety concerns of operators climbing up on the tables, and really it just made us overall more efficient. We reduced about half of our material handling time by incorporating the magnetic lifting system. As far as safety is concerned, it's not a concern. We don't have operators climbing on and off the table, so for us, it's not a concern anymore.